Kristen Stewart stood her ground against critics who continue to slam her recent Rolling Stone cover and the controversy it stirred up. She appeared on The Late Show with Colbert. Stewart responded to the criticism by doubling down on her stance, blaming societal double standards. "Well, it's a little ironic because I feel like I've seen a lot of male ick hair on the cover of things. I've seen a lot of hands in pants and unbuttoned. I think there's a certain over-acknowledgement of a female sexuality that has its own volition in a way that is annoying for people who are sexist and homophobic. I've certainly seen more revealing covers on Rolling Stone or Sports Illustrated for that matter," Colbert agreed. Stewart then added of her cover, "It's not remotely explicit." She went on to explain that there is the idea that female sexuality isn't supposed to actually want anything but to be had, which is why it feels like it's protruding